remove a different wire from this picture. So let's start. The easy way to remove this wire: go to Tools and select Rectangle, and next go to Option, select Second Combination. Then hold Alt key, scroll mouse, zoom in, and create rectangle like this. Make a little bit space between selection and the target. And now continue your drawing rectangle selection. Hold the space, move image like this. Create another one. Start from here and create your rectangle like this. Make a space between selection and the wire, just 3 or 4 pixel, not too much close. Take a look. If you need to erase this selection, select next one and create selection to erase. Select again the second combination and create your selection like this. Make selection here and continue. The most important point is here. Be careful. Make selection and make another selection like this. Make another selection. So this selection is the last selection to create or draw. Hold Alt key on keyboard, zoom out, and now next go to select menu and click on inverse, and next go to edit, select content aware fill. You can create shortcut for this command by going to keyboard shortcuts and find edit menu, and now find content aware fill. Click here and type your shortcut key and click accept. So, and now I need to use this command for remove the wire. Select and wait for result. So after erase, click on OK. Click OK. And now take a look. Go to select, deselect. So it's very easy to remove that wire, and there is the layer. You can turn off, see the result like this. And now if you need to create a before and after result, go to image and go to canvas, select percentage, make 200, select right side, click OK. So turn on, select the background layer, hold Alt key to make shortcut. Turn off auto select, select the layer, hold Alt Shift, zoom out. Here you can see the result before and after. So guys, thanks for watching. This was about another different image to remove the wire from this picture.